Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question number 2 from the exercise 2.7. This is under CBSE standard 7 syllabus. In this question we have to solve this numericals. Into that the first is a decimal number and the next in division with the number is 10, 100, 1000 and so on numbers are there. So let us see how to solve this. So first, whenever there is a decimal number, first convert that into the fraction form. So this is 4.8, we have written here 48, and then in denominator after decimal point one number is there, that means 10 will come. Now this is in division with 10. So let us write the same thing in division with 10. Now 48 and in division 10, here this is whole number, so we can write 1 in its denominator. Now this division sign we are changing it to multiplication sign, and then the next fraction, this we have whole number we have converted into fraction, because whenever the whole number is there we can write 1 in its denominator. In 10's denominator 1 is there, so we need to take reciprocal of that. So we are taking here 1 in division with 10. So this division we have converted into multiplication. So here we got that 48 in division 100, because here 10 into 10 is there, so we got here 100. Now in 48's denominator 100 is there, so we need to convert this into decimal form. So in 100 there is 100 is there in denominator, so we need to count two numbers from the right side. So this is 4 and 8. From right side we are counting 1 and 2. So here we are putting decimal point and then 10 we are writing, because there is no other number here. So this will be the decimal form of 48 in division 100. So the answer of 4.8 in division 10 is this. Next numerical is 52.5 in division 10 is there. So let us first convert this decimal number into its fraction. So 525 in division 10 will be there, because after decimal point one number is there, so we have put here 10. Now this is a division sign and 10 is a whole number, so we are writing 1 in its denominator. Now 525 in division 10. This division sign we are converting into multiplication sign, and this fraction we are changing it to its reciprocal. So 1 divided by 10. Now in denominators of 525 there is 100. Earlier it was 10. Now by taking reciprocal this 10 has come to denominator. So now this has become 100. So 525 in denominator 100 is there. So now from the right side we have to count two numbers and we have to put a decimal point, because there are two zeros in the denominator. So 1 and 2. So here the decimal point will come. So answer of this division is 5.25. Then the third one is 0.7 in division 10 is there. So here let us first convert this decimal number into its fraction. So 7 divided by 10 in division with 10. We are putting 1 in its denominator because this is whole number. Now 7 divided by 10, we are changing this to multiplication and taking the reciprocal. So this both the things you have to do it in one single step. That division sign we are changing into multiplication sign, and second fraction we are taking reciprocal of that. So here 10 divided by 1 will become 1 divided by 10. Now in denominator of 7, 100 is there. So 7 in division 100. In 7's denominator 100 is there. Let us count 2 points from the right side, or let us count two numbers from the right side. So 7 is there. So this is one number. Now no more numbers are there, so we are going to put 10 and then we are putting the decimal point. And since there is no other number, we are putting one more 0 here. So 0.07 will be the answer of this numerical. So our fourth numerical is 33.1 in division with 10. So let us first convert this into its fraction form, that 331 in division 10 and that too in division again 10. So now 331 in division 10, we are changing this division sign into multiplication sign. This 10, we are changing it to its reciprocal form. So 1 divided by 10. So now 331's denominator, we got here 100. 10 into 10. So we got here 100. So now we need to convert this fraction into its decimal form. So let us count 2 digits from the right side because there are 2 0 in the denominator. So 1 and 2. So here we are going to put the decimal point and the answer is 3.31. Next numerical is 272.23 in division with 10. So let us first convert this number into its fraction form. 27223 is the total number, and in division after decimal point there are two numbers. So we can write 100 in its denominator. Then in division with 10, and that is whole number, so we can write 1 in its denominator. So now let us convert this into multiplication. So this number, division sign we have converted into multiplication sign, and we are taking reciprocal of this number. So 1 divided by 10. Now in turn, there is 1000 in its denominator, 100 in multiplication with 10. So 27223 in division 1000 is there. 27,223 in multiplication with 1. So same number, and 100 into 10. So 1000. Now we have to convert this number into its decimal form. So from the right side we have to count 3 numbers because there are 3 0 in its denominator. So 27223. Now let us count 3 numbers. So 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to put decimal point over here. So this will be the answer for this numerical. Then the next is 0.56 in division 10. So let us first convert this into its fraction form. That 56 in division, after decimal 2 numbers are there. So 100 will come. Then division sign, and this is a whole number. So 10 and into its denominator 1 will be there because this is a whole number. Now convert this 2 fraction into multiplication. So here multiplication sign, and then this fraction we are changing it to its reciprocal. So 1 divided by 10. Now 56 into 1 is 56 and 100 in multiplication with 10. So it is going to be 1000. Now we have to count 3 numbers from the right side. So 5, 6, now count 3 numbers. So 1 number, 2 number, and since there is no more number here, we are going to put 0 and then we are going to put decimal point. Wherein in the situation when there are no numbers left and still we have to count 1 more number, then we can put 0 and then we have to put decimal point. And since there is no other number here, we will put 0. So the number is 0.056 as the answer of this numerical. The 7th numerical is 3.97 in division 10 is there. So here let us first change this 2 into fraction form. So 397 in division, after decimal 2 numbers are there. So we will write here 100. Division sign, this is a whole number, so we are writing 1 in its denominator. Now convert this sign into multiplication, and simultaneously we will convert this fraction into its reciprocal form. So here 397 in division 100, multiplication sign, and here we are writing reciprocal. 397 is multiplying with 1, so it is 397 in denominator 100 into 10, so it is going to be 1000. Now when we are changing this fraction into its decimal point, from the right side we have to count 3 numbers. So let us write this number and then we are counting 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 3. So here we are going to put decimal point and then 0. So this is going to be our answer. So hope this video has solved your doubt and you understood the concept well. I'll see you in next video with some more new sums and new concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.